Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now in WordPress 5.8, WordPress did not allow you to basically replace the images in a media and text block using drag and drop, and in WordPress 5.9 this has changed. So let's just go to WordPress 5.8 for once and see what happened if you dragged and dropped an image on a media and text block first. Now I've added two very similar media and text block in both the installations. You can see here and you can see here. This is the WordPress 5.9 and this is the WordPress 5.8. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drag and drop an image onto this image, and you will see what happens when we do that. So this is the new logo that we have been working on. Now let me just drag and drop over here, and it creates a new image block for itself. It does not replace the image, it basically creates a new image block for itself. Now let's just go to WordPress 5.9 and see if it helps. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna again, you see how it changes, and now when I upload the file it replaces it. Now in case you are thinking where this file lands, then let me tell you, the file gets directly uploaded to the media library. You can see there are two logos, one that I uploaded before and one is this one. You can see the name here, one, and this is the final. So basically what happens here is when you drag and drop an image, it automatically uploads into the WordPress Media Library. So you have to be very careful when doing this. The first reason behind this is do not upload any unoptimized images. By unoptimized images, I mean the images that are not carefully sized. You do not want to upload heavy images because that will impact the page speed of your site. So in case you are looking for a plugin to help you with the page speed, then link to that will be in the description box below. I suggest using Optimol for that. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.